Welcome back to the second installment of America's hottest, most loved plumbing TV show, titled The Shark Show. We're back, folks. So I thought there were 4 garages back here when I was here yesterday. So we got garage 1 and garage 2. And so you can see the piping. You can see it all right here. So yesterday afternoon after I left, the tenant, there's 2 units right here. That's one bathroom window, that's the second bathroom window. They're back to back. I was working in this one yesterday, and this girl complained to the manager that now her tub is backing up. So here's our tub drain from yesterday. It goes across like I thought, then 90's down, then 90's across. So that's the vent for the tub right there, right? See the other galvy pipe right there? So that's the P-trap on the left, that's the vent on the right. This 2-inch right here is the kitchen. See how there's a Y right there going into the vertical? That's the kitchen for next door. You know what this might be? That may be a double fixture fitting right there, dude. Yeah. That's what they did. I bet you that's a double fixture fitting. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom next door to where I was working yesterday.
So something went askance?
Yeah, not good. I was trying to clear a drain yesterday and I couldn't get it, and
it's been like a little bit back. It's been like slow to drain.
Oh yeah, it's got worse. Look how much more water is in here. This unit has been vacant for a while. I wonder if girl next door has been successfully taking showers and it just fills up in here and then slowly drains. And then it wasn't until the reglazing guy told me that it was backing up in here that I found that out. Damn. The cleaning lady just came over here yesterday. All right. So the lavatories, okay, the reason I came up here is the lavatory. I wanted to see if the lavatories were backing up, but she said they weren't. So since the vanities are not backing up, the clog is somewhere behind this combi right here. It's a 2-inch by 1.5-inch combi. See how it upsizes to 2-inch? But it's 1.5 inch back here. The reason it upsizes to 2-inch is because it picks up the vanities. So our problem, so that is a double fixture fitting up there, likely. Or it might just be one of those, it might not be a double fixture fitting with the vent in the middle. It might just be, because it's vented right here, it might just be one of those old school, I don't know what the name of those fittings are, but it's just 2 outlets and then an opening on the bottom. That's probably what it is. To catch two drains. I've never used one of those. So, all right, cool. So I bet you 20 bucks, if I cut that right there, water is just gonna be spewing, dude. All right, I'm on the other side of the garage, or in the middle garage here. And I was right, it's one of those, it's like a Santee on both sides, but there's no vent in the middle. It's just catching 2 tubs and then it, so. Wow, okay. Look at that. That's crazy, man. But the drain is still not unclogged. So that means this is likely. Look at that muck. It's probably in that 90 right there. Oh boy, it's gonna be fun. Here we go. I need to find a good place to put my phone, because this will bring the water. This is gonna bring the water. Just watch. Ugh. That's 2 bathtub full. 2 bathtubs full of water. What a mess, dude. Oh, okay, good. At least it's not getting on her stuff. If you have any idea how there was a way to contain that, I'm all ears, bro. I'm all ears. Clear now. You know, yesterday when I was trying to snake the tub, Look how, that's the size of my hand. Another issue, and this is dense, dude. This is so dense. How are you gonna pull that all the way back through that 1.5 inches and then through the trap and out the overflow? You can't. All right, let's pull a measurement. That is 15.5. But we gotta factor in no hub bands. So, okay. I've got this no hub band torqued down. Unfortunately, because of the railing here for the garage door, I kind of had to turn this test tee down, but that's okay. We won it there. In case this happens again, they can snake up that way. And they can snake this way as well, if necessary. You know, I was just thinking, because the fitting for the tubs, it's that double fixture fitting without the vent in the middle. I bet the snake was just jumping right over that. Because there's no way, there would be no way to get the snake to go down. And the clog was right here in the 90. So, but anyway, okay. So I got a piece here. Got the no hub band folded back. I'm gonna stick that sucker in there, like so. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna have the girl upstairs run the tub, make sure there's no leakies. It's gonna be filthy, I know it. Dang. Yeah. I need to tape and dope that plug. It's leaking. Okay, all right, folks. Catch you later.